hello and welcome to all. After 2.1, we'll see that the use of properties of parallel lines. So see in this properties of parallel line, that first theorem in front of you, that the sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही कोणाच्या मापाची बेरीज ही 180 अंश असते. हे आपल्याला जी काय आहे थेरम आहे, आणि हे थेरम आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, प्रूव्ह करायचं. वी वॉन्ट टू प्रूव्ह दिस थेरम. सो for proving this theorem, first of all we draw that the diagram here. One triangle I'll draw here. Suppose that any triangle that's having A, B and C. So these are three triangles, and in this triangle we'll give that the measures. Suppose this angle A is 1, angle B is 2, and angle C is 3. Okay, these are three angles will given here. So see, write down first that given what they will be given. We write here. So write down triangle ABC is any triangle okay, and what we want to prove, we want to prove that here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Means angle A means 1 2 3, these angles. Angle A means angle 1, angle B means angle 2, and angle C means angle 3. That sum of that three angles, measure of all angles, sum of measure of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so here some small construction will be do here. So which construction, that we draw that parallel line to BC. Means this, in this, that parallel line at the side of BC, that is a line PQ. This is a PQ line, and that is a parallel to that BC. Okay, so that is a P dash A dash Q, means that these are that collinear points will be draw that. Means write down here construction. In that construction, write down draw PQ parallel to BC and PAQ are collinear. Now after this construction we prove that, and it is a very easy proof. So see here how we prove that. First of all, write down line PQ. This line PQ is a parallel to line BC. From construction, write down here line PQ parallel to BC. What we write here from construction? And write down angle, see 1 2 3, and we'll give that again angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, this is angle 2, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, angle 3 4, and this is a 5. Sorry, this is a fifth 5 angle. So see here angle 4 and angle 2. See these angle 4 and angle 2, these are that alternative angles. Okay, and again angle 5 and angle 3 are that alternate angle. Write down here angle 4 is equal to angle 2. This is a alternate angle. Write down angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Again this is a alternate angle. So angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Give that equation number 1. From linear pair of angle, from linear pair of angle, write down angle 4 plus angle 1, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is 180 degree. So these are that linear pair. See, write down. See that 4 angle 4 angle 5 angle 1 and angle 5, these are that make hand 180 degree. So write down angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. And we know very well that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So from that we write that angle A. So from that we write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. In this way we prove that. Okay. So see, these three angles are 180. So for that these 4 180 and that alternate angle, one of that alternate angle, pair of one alternate angle that's having congruent, then other pair also are congruent. So from that we can conclude or we can prove that sum of measure of all angles of triangles is 180 degree. Transversals are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So see, I'll show you on that figure. This is a lines are parallels. Yes, first that test is that if interior angles of that same side of the transversal, that is a supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So see, these are two lines, same parallel line, that is a L and M, and this is N is a transversal. Here this is angle 1, angle 2, these are the two interior angle. This is a 3, this is a 4, these are two interior angle. So see, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, means that's having supplementary. Or again we can write that angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So that is the supplementary, means these two interior angles of same sides are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Or again that second, if one of the pair of that alternate angle is congruent, suppose these are that alternate angles, so this one and this one of the pair, or this one or this one, or these are that exterior alternate angles, these, okay, one of the pair among that, this one or this one, okay, these are that exterior pairs. One of that pair is congruent, then the lines are parallels. Okay, and third one, that if one of the pair of that corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. कोणतीही एक जोडी जर समजा ज्यावेळेस कॉन्ग्रंट असते, करस्पॉन्डिंग असेल, किंवा ह्या साईडची जी काय आहे करस्पॉन्डिंग असेल, जसे की 1 5, these are that corresponding angles, and 2 3, these are that corresponding angles. One of the pair of that corresponding angle are congruent, then the lines are parallel.